How to use Wi-Fi calling when mobile signal is weak. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can use Wi-Fi calling when mobile signal is weak. Now before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now let's jump right into it. So to use Wi-Fi calling when a weak mobile signal occurs, first you'll need to enable it in your phone's settings. So locate your settings and then open it up. After you're there, you will need to head over to your connections or your network and internet. After you're there, head over to your SIMs setting. Tap on SIMs. After you're here, scroll down all the way till you find Wi-Fi calling option. After you see Wi-Fi calling, tap on it. All you have to do is enable this. After you enable this, you will need to update your emergency address for emergency services when using Wi-Fi calling. That's just a note. So you'll also need to check your carrier support and settings. So your mobile provider must support Wi-Fi calling. If it does not, you will not be able to see it. So you can also contact your mobile service provider and try it out. You can also test this out by finding an area with weak cell signal but strong Wi-Fi, like a basement or a building with really thick walls. And try to use this and check if it works. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.